Alright, what's going on, guys? So today we're about to go pick up a door for this Prius right now. I got lucky and I found one on OfferUp right now, so I'm about to head over there real quick and go pick up this door. I think it might be the same color code, so I think I lucked out. So I'm about to head over here real quick before this thing gets sold. Alright guys, so just making it back home right now. Picked up the Prius door. Bought it out in Paris. This guy was super cool guy. We chopped it up for like about an hour talking about cars and stuff. He bought and sold cars. He said he's been doing it for like 30 years or something like that. But yeah, I'm about to get ready to throw this door on, spray it down, clean it, and see what we're looking like. The B pillar is still a little hit, but it's not a big deal. We're gonna get that pulled out, but at least I got these doors. So yeah, stay tuned. You could love like you never received. Times you try to let's keep it surface till I know when we converse. Sleep got no place inside this home. I don't expect to be flawless. so far so good. Everything lined up. Now I just have to clean this thing up a little bit. I'm gonna put a tire on this car. Got the rim in the back of my truck, so I'm gonna go throw a tire on it, and then shit, basically this will be it. I still got to do the curtain airbag inside, and then the seat airbag, and then I'll take it to CHP. But you can see I kind of started tearing it apart to take the headliner out for the curtain airbag. Steering wheel airbag was good, so I don't have to worry about that. Alright, so just rinse the Prius down. Looking pretty good. So this will probably end up this video. The next I'll probably be putting the airbags in, the curtain airbags, and fixing that seat. Color turned out perfect. Save money on that, so I don't have to take it to paint.